Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 27 May 2018, 07 of hour, 03 of minute and 36 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can you tilt a refrigerator? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can you tilt a refrigerator. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can you tilt a refrigerator. The good news is that you can usually prevent damage such as this caused by tilting by standing your refrigerator upright for a minimum of 24 hours after you've tilted it. So if you or a group of movers accidentally tilts your refrigerator, let it stand for a day or so before plugging it back in. Last update August 14, 2014. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.